Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use drone mode in Forza Horizon 6. First, enable Ana by pressing down on your D-pad or C on your keyboard. Then select the first option, which is drone mode, by pressing up on your D-pad. Then it will open the drone. Now to adjust the height of the drone, you can press RT on Xbox or R2 on PlayStation. To go down on your height, press LT on Xbox or L2 on PlayStation. So RT to go up or LT to go down, like this. And if you want to change the direction, then use right stick like this. If you want to do this on your keyboard, then just use arrows keys in order to change the angle. And now if you want to go away from your car or change the movement, then for that use your left stick or W and S key on your keyboard like this. So if you move the left stick up, then it will take you toward the car. If you move it down, then it will take you away from the car. Right stick for direction and left stick for movement, and RT and LT for position of up and down. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.